silent ground, a patient, dark in slow motion around. Counting the seasons by the taste of rain, a secret subterranean campaign. You'd never know to look upon the earth, the quiet magnitude of that first birth. They set him up. A perfect paper ghost, clutching the bark, its earthly purpose lost. My grandma took it from my open palm, her voice a blend of wonder, shade, and calm. She said, "This isn't death, it's just a door. They've said their piece and now they wait for more." For the sudden, urgent, necessary thing, to use the time we're given loud and clear, before we leave our own shells waiting here. Isolated mind. Summer pines, a fleeting breeze.